Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you will be fine. Now today I am going to deliver the lecture number 8 of English for class nursery. Today we will do the next page, page number 13 for summer pack. Yes, page number 13. Yes, this is page number 13. Today we will do this page. Yes, here you can see some lower cases on this page. Yes, the first lowercase on this page is, yes, letter M. What comes after letter L? Letter M. It comes after letter L. Okay, first of all, I will trace this letter, and the sound of this letter is M. 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 Mango. M is the first letter for mango. Okay, now I will trace this letter. Yes. For lowercase m, first of all, I will start from the middle line and make a straight line, touch the base line. Now go up, touch the middle line again, and here I will make a little curve. Now come down, make a straight line and touch the base line. Now go up, again touch the middle line and make a little curve again, and come down, touch the base line, and here I will make a little loop or a small tail with it. Yes, this is lowercase m. Okay, now I will write lowercase m on a single dot. For this, I will start from this dot. First, I will make a straight line. Now go up, touch the middle line, and here I will make a little curve. Now come down, touch the base line. Now go up. Again, I will touch the middle line and make a small curve. Now come down and touch the base line again, and here I will make a little loop with it. Yes, this is lowercase m, and the sound of this letter is m, 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 mango. Okay, once again, for lowercase m, I will start from this dot like this. Now go up, again come down, again go up, and again come down and make a little curve with it. This is lowercase m. Okay, what comes after letter m? Letter n. This is lowercase n, and the sound of this letter is n, 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 net. N is the first letter for net, n, n, net. Okay, first of all, I will trace this letter. For this, I will start from the middle line and make a straight line like this and touch the base line. Now go up, touch the middle line again, and here I will make a small curve. Now come down, make a straight line again, touch the base line, and here I will make a little loop or a small curve like letter M. M. Okay, this is lowercase n, and the sound of this letter is n. It comes after letter m. Okay, now I will write this letter on a single dot for letter n. For lowercase n, first of all, I will make a straight line. Yes, come down, touch the base line. Now go up, touch the middle line, and here I will make a little curve. Now come down, and here I will make a little tail or a small loop with it. Okay, again, I will start from this dot. Now come down, make a straight line, touch the base line. Now go up, touch the middle line again. I will make a little curve. Now come down, make a straight line again, and again touch the base line, and here I will make a little tail with it. Okay, this is lowercase n. Okay, now the next letter, yes, this is letter O. This is lowercase o, and the sound of this letter is O. O, O, orange. O is the first letter for orange. O, O, orange. Okay. First of all, I will trace this letter. Yes, I will start from the middle line. First, I will make an anti-clockwise half circle for this letter and touch the base line and go up. And now I will complete this circle for letter O. Yes, this is letter O. Okay, the sound of this letter is O, O. Okay, once again, for letter O, I will start from this dot, and first I will make an anti-clockwise half circle. Now I will complete this circle like this. Yes, this is lowercase o. Okay. Now again, I will take start from lowercase o. First of all, I will take start from this dot and make an anti-clockwise circle like this. Yes, this is letter O. Okay, now next letter. What comes after letter O? Letter P. Okay, the sound of this letter is P. 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 It comes after letter O and P. P. Pineapple. P. P. Pineapple. P is the first letter for pineapple. Okay, now first of all, I will take start from the middle line and come down and make a straight line and touch the lower line. Now go up, touch the middle line and make a clockwise half circle with it. Yes, this is lowercase p. Okay, now I will write lowercase p on one dot. Okay, first of all, I will take start from this dot. Now come down, make a straight line, touch the lower line. Now go up, touch the middle line, and here I will make a clockwise half circle with it. Yes, it should be in lower three lines. Yes, this is letter P. Once again, yes, I will trace this letter. Sorry, I will write this letter on this dot, on one dot like this. Yes, come down, touch the lower line. Now go up, make a clockwise half circle with it. Yes, the sound of this letter is P. 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 Okay, G, here I have done a mistake. I think this O has not in proper form. So I will write again this letter O because our work should be in proper form. So first of all, I will raise this letter. Yes. And now again I will write letter O. Okay, now I will take start from this dot and first I will make an anti-clockwise half circle like this, and then I will complete this circle for letter O. Yes, this is letter O. Yes, okay, I think this is the better one. Okay, now today you will do page number 13, students. Letter M, N, O, P. You will complete this page. Inshallah, we will meet again on Monday with next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Stay safe, stay blessed. Have a happy weekend. Thank you very much.